What would the next 100 years be like? How our educational institutions are addressing the future? What kind of education do we want to see in the 21st century as our communities evolve, our world evolves? When we talk of 21st century education, we're basically talking of revisiting this mission. What is the role of the school in the development of individuals and, in a larger sense, the development of the world?
Well, here in Salle Lipa, as Lasallian educators, we really give our best to make a great difference to the lives of our 21st century learners. In fact, one of the strategic directions is focusing on the social innovation in quality education. And guided by our mission vision, we are now integrating social innovation fundamentals in our curriculum, such as design thinking, futures thinking, project management, and decision making. Another area in our social innovation in quality education is our thrust for the digital innovation or the digital campus initiatives. As of now, we have the Canvas as the learning management system. The use of LMS really makes our students to become lifelong learners. Students are able to have more collaboration, more innovative thinking, and they're able to address issues that we have identified in the global areas.
The digital campus is basically a strategic initiative of the school to transform learning. At this point in time, we've changed the whole network of Salle Lipa from ground up. We have new cabling, new fiber optics, new servers, and the whole goal is to have a 100% Wi-Fi campus. So this should enable an anytime, anywhere learning experience for the kids.
Students now should not only be trained to be employees, they should be trained to be entrepreneurs. Startup projects will come from the capstone projects of the students. And these startup projects will be incubated in our Nexus Lab.
The Nexus Innovation Lab is something that we're so excited here in Salle Lipa right now. The Nexus incubate those projects and see if we can transform all these projects to the real business that has a social impact on the community, not only in here in Lipa, but in the Philippines in general.
We want to see an inclusive growth, that as we progress, we're able to bring them together. This is not just about money. This is about really taking care of people and bringing people to a level where they don't need to worry about their economics so that they can concentrate on the work of God and the work that God has asked us to do.
We call our employees partners. In the Lasallian tradition, when you are working in a Lasallian school, you have to know first the Lasallian mission. The school is a means. The school is not the end. The school is a means to a mission, to provide human and Christian educations to the young, especially the poor. Since the time of the founder, he left this legacy to the brothers.
We're providing, hopefully, for good health services. Now we have an ambulance, dedicated EMT team, but these are just steps towards a holistic approach to creating a smart campus and creating a campus that is livable, that is safe and secure. We cannot grow at the expense of the planet. When we talk of inclusive societies, we have to necessarily talk of sustainable societies.
What we are doing is not about us, it's about setting an example for the other community. The school has been making effort to address the climate change. We have created our own energy framework to minimize our carbon emission or carbon footprints. We have also installed the smart flower, the solar panel system that is more efficient than the traditional solar panel. Our students can do re-engineering to make the system more energy efficient.
Our digital infrastructure, it's not just to provide our kids with fast internet. It's really to provide the platform for us to build a smart campus. This is the future. How do we operate a city where we reduce waste, pollution, we improve services, and we improve the life of people?
Sustainability framework of Salle Lipa would aim to have a circular economy. We will be utilizing everything that we use. So that means we will use our waste for other purposes.
When we hinge our direction to the Sustainable Development Goals, we indicate that we are part of this greater world. Our mission is not apart from the rest of the world, than from the rest of humanity and from the rest of the planet.
Recently, we have invited different international-based companies like Sodexo, DigiScript, and Bloomberg. Sodexo, it's a French-based food supplier. DigiScript, it is the country's pioneer in using 3D laser scanning. And Bloomberg, of course, will give our students an edge in terms of business acumen and awareness in the financial markets. The reason why we're bringing them here is to give our students and our faculty and staff a different sense of how it is being done in the international scene. We would like to make sure that they're exposed to international standards so that all our process will also be based on international standards. With the number of initiatives that we're doing here at Salle Lipa, we have also engaged different persons who are leaders in their own fields, experts, as I may say. We need their suggestions so that we can make sure that all our initiatives will come to fruition.
We invite people of like mind. We invite people who share this dream, same values of making people important in our decisions, in our governance, making the planet important in the decisions that we make, and making education the platform to which we advocate these changes. No? There are many who share this vision. There are many who share in the belief that education is the great equalizer, and that hopefully as we move forward, many will join us in this quest to make our schools the kind of schools that maybe De La Salle dreamt, where our children live in a world that is safe, inclusive, where future generations are regarded in terms of the decisions that we make today.